Ruby, aren't you clean now? Ruby had a haircut and a shower. She just reminds me of all the positivity in life, even though if I'm having a shit day, someone's been ignorant on Tumblr about me and dairy or animal cruelty. Even though I may not like humans that much, I just want to love and protect this little one. She's like my life, the only woman that I'll ever love, and plus my mother. Yeah. Ruby. Ruby. She used to be like very hairy before, but now she looks like a little bald rat, the cute kind. By the way, fun fact, dogs can get their periods as well. This one got hers when she was like 2 years old. And I actually thought she had a cut, but then I realized it was natural.